So our focus, I challenge each one of us. Our focus should be on the author and the finisher of our faith. Maybe some of us say, no lah, I really let my children. No, I think grandparents also can do a great influence, on our children. Yeah. If the Lord allow us. So more than just preparing, more than just leaving the physical resources to the next generation, we must be able to challenge our children. We must be able to challenge the younger generation that is rising up. Be strong and do the work. So these are the three things I leave with us, even as we continue with this service. A concern that our children know God. A challenge that our children seek God. And a charge that our children will serve God. Can you stand up with me? I will pray for you, and then I pass the service back to the chapel. Father, we thank you that the Bible contains stories and narratives that we can draw examples to follow. We thank you for the